Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Ghost of Tabor look better. We'll start by diving into the game's basic visual settings. Adjusting your resolution scaling can offer a much sharper image without drastically impacting performance. Also, consider lowering shadow quality and distance. This often provides a significant boost to your frame rate. Disabling effects like motion blur and chromatic aberration will give you a clearer, more focused view of the action. Finally, if your graphics card has ample video memory, setting texture quality to high will make the environments much more detailed and immersive. Next, let's explore some advanced graphics settings that can further enhance your experience. If your system supports it, enabling FSR or DLSS can provide excellent upscaling and a substantial performance boost. Reducing anti-aliasing to a setting like TAA will smooth out jagged edges without overtaxing your GPU. Carefully adjusting the draw distance helps balance how far you can see with your system's overall load. Lastly, lowering some post-processing effects can lead to better visual clarity and a few extra frames per second, making your gameplay smoother. Now, let's move beyond the game itself and optimize your graphics card settings. In your NVIDIA or AMD control panel, set the power management mode to prefer maximum performance to ensure your GPU is always working its hardest. Enabling features like image sharpening or Radeon image sharpening can make the game look much crisper. Also, ensure anisotropic filtering is set to 16 times for incredibly detailed textures, even when viewed at sharp angles. Finally, remember to close any unnecessary background applications to free up valuable system resources for Ghost of Tabor. Finally, let's talk about hardware and future enhancements. Always keep your graphics drivers updated to the very latest version. This often brings performance improvements and bug fixes. If you're looking for a substantial leap in visual quality and frame rates, consider upgrading your graphics card or processor. Installing Ghost of Tabor on a solid-state drive, or SSD, will drastically reduce loading times, getting you into the action much faster. Increasing your system's RAM to 16 or 32 gigabytes can also ensure smoother multitasking and overall system responsiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.